Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Exam Sutra. Here we are going to discuss what is characteristics function. So if x is any random variable, then its characteristics function is defined as phi x of t is equal to expectation of e raised to I tx. This equation 1, where I is equal to root of minus 1. It is imaginary, and in this expression t is any real number such that mod of e raised to I tx is equal to root of cos square tx plus sin square tx, which is 1. Therefore mod of phi xt less than 1 and phi xt is equal to expected value of e raised to I tx. This is characteristics function. So just write the expression for e raised to I tx. Expectation of 1 is the expression for e raised to I tx is 1 plus itx square by 2 factorial plus itx cube upon 3 factorial and so on up to infinity. So I'll just apply the expectation throughout the bracket. So expectation of 1 is 1 and expectation of this term is it will come out and expectation of x is mu1 prime. So accordingly expectation of x square is mu2 prime and so on up to infinity. Here it is the properties of characteristics function. So you don't have to do the proofs of properties of characteristics function. You just remember the statement of characteristics function and the result of same. So first property is phi of 0 is 1. So characteristic function at 0 is 1. Just remember it. Second is mu r prime is equal to coefficient of it raised to r upon r factorial in phi x of t. Anytime when you have to find the central moment or raw moment, then just find the expression for phi x of t, then compare the coefficient of it raised to r upon r factorial in fx of t. That is mu r prime is equal to, this is the result for this property, mu r prime is equal to minus I raised to r d raised to r upon dt raised to r phi x of t at t is equal to 0. Taking limit t tends to 0. So taking limit t tends to 0. So d by dt of phi x of t at t is equal to 0 is I mu1 prime. Therefore mu1 prime. So I will go to that side. So mu1 prime is 1 upon I d by dt of phi x of t at t is equal to 0. Similarly, second order derivative of phi x of t, it is mu2 prime I square plus mu3 prime I cube 2t by 2 factorial, but at t is equal to 0 we will get this term mu2 prime I square. Similarly we will put mu2 prime one side and I square will go to that side. So mu2 prime is equal to 1 upon I square d square by dt square phi x of t. Similarly we will get mu r prime is equal to 1 upon I raised to r. It's same as minus I raised to r d raised to r upon dt raised to r phi x of t at t is equal to 0. Mu r prime is equal to minus I raised to r and rth order derivative of phi x of t at t is equal to 0. And third property is effect of change of origin and scale. Just remember this expression. When y is equal to x minus a by h, effect of change in origin and scale. So just remember, when y is equal to x minus a by h, characteristic function of y is e raised to minus ai t by h, phi x of t by h. Fourth property, if x1, x2, xn are independent random variable, then phi of summation xi t is equal to product of I going from 1 to n phi xi of t. Proof. You don't have to do the proof, just remember the result. Final result, phi of summation xi of t is same as product of I going from 1 to n phi of xi of t. If xi's are IID random variable, then this result can be expressed as phi x of t whole raised to n, because whole x is having the same distribution and same characteristic function. Last property is sixth property is characteristic function of average of n IID random variable is phi x bar of t is given by phi x of t by n whole raised to n. Just remember the result. So just remember the result, as I said, phi x bar of t is phi x of t by n whole raised to n. Seventh property is characteristic function is unique, always unique. Unique means a distribution, if it has one and only one characteristic function, then it is unique. So just remember, characteristic function is unique. And characteristic mod of phi x of t is always less than equal to 1. And ninth property, this is important, for any distribution symmetric about 0, like normal distribution, characteristic function is real, and conversely, if characteristic function is real, then it is also symmetric about 0. Guys, please do like and subscribe our channel.